Hi friends, let me show you my new Rattan Sputnik chandelier. It has 6 lights. You get the light bulbs. Okay. This is the main base and all the installing accessories. Let me show you. See? This is the actual base that goes to the ceiling, and these are the 6 chandelier extensions, okay? And these are the actual chandelier end points where the light bulbs go, okay? So you get 6 and six light bulbs, okay? So you get everything you need to install it and to use it. I think they look really nice. They look like, I don't know, like vintage. And they will look really nice in my living room. Let's install it. And here we have it. As you can see, it's a really nice lamp. It gives a lot of light. It looks great. It looks, well, interesting, nice. It's not a common lamp. I like it very much. You can see the brightness of the light bulbs and the nice setting of the 6 spikes. Really recommend this lamp for your house, your living room, wherever you want to use it.